But let's say, for example, I now want to do some what if scenarios. So I want to create a new budget. And I want to base this on a what if scenario where if I'm saying, well, what if all of our income and all of our expenses increase by 20%? So what I can do in this budget scenario, I can come here and I can go to data and I can say add a row. And I'm going to create a new budget and I'm going to call this my optimistic budget. You can call it whatever you like, and the great thing about this as well is you can have as many different budget scenarios as you want with all kinds of different numbers in there, so you can start doing those different what if scenarios. But this is my optimistic budget. Now when I'm creating this budget, I can create it on the basis of all of the other budgets that are in the system. So you'll see when I click on my drop down list here, it's going to give me the ability to choose my main budget. So I can say, yep, I'm going to base this on my main budget, and I'm going to put in here that it's based on a 120% increase on my main budget. So I say, yep, that's fine, and then I'll say update, and that's now done, and I've now got that new budget. So if I come in here into budgets, I can now pick not only my main budget for 2018, but I also now have my optimistic budget for 2018. So then if I open this up, I click OK, and it shows me all those numbers. You'll now see I've got all of those figures that are in here.